finally we went to schools, and then there were random kids who didn't even enact the scenes. So Junior Mandar is actually, he had given an interview that I want to become a marine engineer, and the way he actually said that I want to become a marine engineer just clinched the role because he was superb. So it's been like we've auditioned more than 1,000, 2,000 kids for this film, for those 4-5 characters.
वो छोटा चेतन तभी से ही बड़ा चेतन बनना चाहिए.
एकदम, एकदम.
Also, one more thing. Hunter is all about, going in for the girl who is the second best. Can we expect a sequel where you would probably give us a philosophy or a principle where how we should win the first one, the first best?
If Phantom and Shimaru backs me, definitely.
Anurag is not present here. Maybe he could have given us a new perspective on this. He said during the last press conference, he said that he is the biggest hunter. So,
अरे हर्ष से second best वाली picture बन गई वो काफी नहीं है. First best.
सर तो आप बना लीजिए. सर आप तो बना लीजिए. आप तो first best हो गए आज तो. सर Queen के बाद King बनाइए कुछ. सर कुछ तो बोलिए. अभी तो 10 मिनट भी हो गया सर. Sir, one serious question. It's been a clean sweep at National Awards. Heather, Mary Com, Queen, a lot of Bollywood films winning at least more than 7 national awards. So mostly Malayalam films or films down south have had this kind of a record. So what do you think? Last year has been very good for Bollywood, and how do you see it forward at National Awards?
Actually, till the time you asked this question, I don't think I've ever thought that we have to beat any other language.
No, it's just a trend that I observed.
Yeah, but I think a lot of regional work is pushing us to think better, smarter, produce our films better, because some storytelling, I think whether it's in Bengali, whether it's in many other language, Marathi cinema especially right now, is so good that it's pushing us to think further, work harder on our screenplay, on our direction. And that's good that they've pushed us today, that we've done I think we've not swept it or anything, but done a reasonably good job at the National Awards.
But has this National Award put additional pressure on your shoulders, and how do you view it? How do you view your growth as a director post the winning of this National Award?
Now I can go and make an easy film. National Award to mil gaya. So now I can go and make a nice, easy, happy film, not worry.
मंदार, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. मंदार, क्या नाम? मंदार, फिल्म का एक सीन है. हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए. फिल्म का एक सीन है जिसमें आप बोलते हैं कि चलो मैं तुम्हारे हस्बैंड से भी बात कर लूंगा. हाँ जी. तो वो क्या इम्पैक्ट डालने की कोशिश कर रहा है सोसाइटी के ऊपर? वो बात कितनी जायज है?
आपके सवाल का जवाब कैसे दूं मैं?
सर, आप शादीशुदा है? नहीं, अनमैरिड है. अच्छा, ओके. वरना मैं बोलता आपकी मिसेस को बुलाइए, मैं बात करता हूँ. मैं करता है ना बात. मेरा क्वेश्चन था सोसाइटी पे इम्पैक्ट का, ना कि कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं सर. वहाँ पे लड़के की वो बहुत ही डरा हुआ है, क्योंकि एक तो वो औरत फोन करती है उसको, फिर घर में घुसती है, बहुत ही नर्वस है. जैसे आपने, पता नहीं आपने फिल्म देखा है कि नहीं देखा है, लेकिन वो उसका जो है दिल की धड़कन जो है बहुत तेज चल रही होती है. तो वो फिर आती है, उसको कुछ सवाल करती है कि मैं बुलाती हूँ अपने हस्बैंड को, कह के चली जाती है. तो कुछ मंदार को भी कुछ दिलेरी दिखाने के लिए ऐसे मुंह से निकल जाता है कि हाँ बुलाओ ना हस्बैंड को, मैं बात करता हूँ ना. वो बात बिल्कुल करना ही नहीं चाहता वैसे, लेकिन एक हिम्मत जो है वो दिखा रहा है और उससे वो इम्प्रेस हो जाती है.
नहीं, एक्चुअली वन मोर थिंग, जैसे इसका एक लिटमस पेपर टेस्ट होता है ना, तो वैसे वो ज्योत्सना का लिटमस पेपर टेस्ट था कि इसमें वो गट्स है कि नहीं है. मतलब इसीलिए तो वो उसको वो कर रही थी, वो उसको फॉलो कर रही थी, वो उसको फोन किया था, उसने उसको फोन किया था. सो जब वो घर आती है तो ये उस पर खरा उतर सकता है कि नहीं, इसीलिए वो बोलती है मैं पति को बुलाती हूँ. अगर वो वहां पे कुछ नहीं बोलता तो वो निकल जाती, अगर उसकी गिग्गी बन जाती तो वो निकल जाती. बट वो उसका लिटमस पेपर टेस्ट था. तो आप मतलब शी इज द वासु ऑल्सो. आई मीन,
Harsh, also one more thing, Gulshan's relation with Sai is what one would call adulterous. It's an adultery, and adultery is illegal as per Indian laws. So what is your take? Should it be made legal, or should that section be abolished? Because in France it is not illegal.
I really didn't know this.
No, it is illegal.
Yeah?
If one makes a complaint, the man will be imprisoned, but not the woman.
Oh, that's good.
So all men, let's not be doing all this because the risk is ours.
Thank you for saying this.
But
now everybody know that adultery is a...
We also have a song which is saying Chori Chori, love story. It's a deceitful love story that is happening. So it's very, I mean, consciously done. And I don't know about this rule and stuff like that.
Just don't get caught, that's all. नहीं पकड़े जाएंगे.
Okay, my question is to the producer. Now the film has been released. The film has received mixed response from critics. So what's your take on that? Don't you think that critics are not still ready to accept the facts, to reality?
He's putting words in your mouth.
The facts to reality as meaning? I don't understand. I think, well, each to their own. I think that if they like it, I think the critics are ready in that sense. I think, and actually the litmus paper test in our case is the audience, not so much the critics in this case. We knew at some level that the critics were going to watch it through a slightly tinted, rose tinted or whatever tinted kind of glasses they're going to watch it through. We kind of knew that. There have been a certain amount of kind of feminist approaches to the writing, which I personally think is wrong. So, I don't know, maybe they're ready, maybe they're not. I think they are. I think it's a question of just maybe being a little bit shocked by the film and not expecting, or the fact that they were expecting something else and they got something else. So, can't say.
You know, I think the critics have reviewed it two ways. They've reviewed it as a film and they've reviewed it as their opinion on that film or that issue. And I think that's the clear mark. Like I remember when Chiller Party was reviewed, the first review that came out was "Kids today are not like this." You know, so I was so surprised that someone wants to actually watch a movie and decide kids are only not like this, so this movie is incorrect. But I don't think that's the way to be reviewing a film like this. You watch the film, that's what the director told, and you can decide whether you can totally disagree with it, you can totally get bored with it. But you can't decide that this is my opinion on society. You are allowed to have, I think, an opinion on the movie, and that's well appreciated. And good, bad, ugly, all that is good. So I think that's the only two distinctions between the reviews. And but yeah, I guess we have to also, while we're growing with our cinema, critics will grow with their reviews, and we'll all become a better society one day.
ओके विकास, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा सेंसर बोर्ड का कितना दखल किसी भी फिल्म में अभी जो हाल में ही कई दिनों से चल रहा है, ये अल्फाज इस्तेमाल मत करिए, ये मत करिए, वो यूज मत करिए, बहुत से कट सेंसर की तरफ से इशू हुए हैं, एक पूरी लिस्ट जारी हुई है. हालांकि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने बहुत इस बात की खिलाफत भी की है. आप क्या मानते हैं एज ए मेकर, हंटर के अंदर सेंसर का अगर इतना ज्यादा दखल नहीं होता तो फिल्म ज्यादा कमर्शियली हिट होती, ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचती? डू यू एग्री विद दिस?
Actually, between your questions, there's a contradiction, because while the censor is issuing all those things, in Hunter we did not face any such problem from the censor board. So there is nothing in Hunter which has been cut or
there's one word beep in Hunter. Please Harsh.
You know, beep actually has become a very interesting word nowadays, because whatever you want to think in your head, you can think. So actually, I don't mind making a movie with lots of beeps, and everyone decides ki kaun sa gali diya yahan pe, kaun sa gali diya yahan pe. So, but actually, in Hunter, we got a very good verdict from the censor board, so we're okay with it. Let's see how it all goes forward as producers or as directors, where we land up next few weeks or months from here. And I think there's a bigger argument going on there at a much senior level, which is beyond me. And I'd much rather let them sort it out at that level in a very sorted way, rather than making a remark which is not well thought through.
So you are happy with the censor board machinery, the way they're working?
In this film particularly, yeah.
Hello. After 15 minutes.
My question is to Vikas and Vikram both.
Let
विकास आप बच क्यों रहे हैं इस सवाल से?
That's just the question.
Achha, Vikram, you said the critics might have taken a feminist approach, which is wrong. Why?
Because you can't, I don't think you should watch a film, you can't watch a film as something. You have to watch a film as an audience member, sort of go in and watch it. I think that a lot of critics have sort of come on board and spoken as feminists. And what Vikas is saying is that, you know, it's not a statement on society. Watch the film as a film. There's an opinion. You have an opinion, so do we. And I think that one has to respect that. Even as a critic, you have to sort of say that I may not like the film, but you can't say the film is a reflection on society in general and make that statement. You can make out from the first word that the person has watched the film and is going to hate it from the very first frame of the film. They've walked in wanting to hate the film because of their point of view in life. That's incorrect.
No, what I mean to say, this is again my opinion. I'm a feminist, and
I'm not saying it's all, again, I'm not saying it's all women. I'm saying some women.
Apart from which, in no scene did I feel that the women were being denigrated, which I have seen in a lot of films where they supposedly glorify women, but I don't like the way They depict the women. I just thought all the women were having a whale of a time.
Yeah, I think so too.
My question is to
विकास,
and
congratulations
Vikram.
सबसे पहले नेशनल अवार्ड जीतने के लिए अनाउंसमेंट हो चुकी है. तो क्या आपने पहले से एक्सपेक्ट कर रखा था कि नेशनल अवार्ड जीतना ही जीतना है, क्योंकि क्वीन ने सारे अवार्ड जीत लिए थे इस साल?
देखिए, अच्छा देखिए, जब हम क्वीन बना रहे थे तो हमें सिर्फ ये था कि किसी तरह ये फिल्म बन जाए. वो फिल्म जब बन गई तो हमारे को ये था अब ये किसी तरह रिलीज हो जाए. So I think the two big journeys in Queen were because we got our funding on the 10th day of already shooting the film, and we were almost packing our bags and coming back from Paris when specifically Vikram Malhotra and Viacom helped us see through that journey. And so you know, when you go through a journey like that, your first two things are so big and so important and valuable to you that now everything is icing on the cake. And yeah, of course, really happy to have received the national award.
Because a lot of awards are not credible these days. What about national
Everyone
award?
we got was very credible, huh? All of them.
विकास
और
आपको
ये अवार्ड किसको डेडिकेट करना चाहेंगे आप?
Sorry?
ये अवार्ड किसको डेडिकेट करना चाहेंगे?
This one I'll dedicate to Vic.
Well, I think the social message is that there's strength in family. That family, as evil as I am,